Bentley's looking out the window. What do you see? I can see his reflection there. That's kind of interesting. Let me see. A kitty reflection. Bentley, who's out in the yard, eh? Who's out in the yard right now? I don't see anybody out there, Bentley. It's just like, there's like nothing out there. There's a bird feeder with nobody there. See, nobody there. And there's all kinds of grass with nobody there. Normally we'd have a bunch of birds. Well, what you looking at, eh? Poor kitty. Is it kind of boring sitting there? Oh, my little tail is going. You see something? A minute ago we were running all over the house. Oh, you hear something. Yeah, do you hear something? Not really. Not really. There's a kitty and a kitty reflection. You can see it. You see, there's his eyes. It's the first time I've photographed that. Yeah, you can see your eyes. And for some reason your tail is flapping like mad. Like there's got to be somebody there. What's your tail doing? See? Its tail is moving and moving. So there's got to be somebody out there somewhere. Can you see yourself, Kitty, in the mirror there? Bentley, what's it? What's-y? Oh, what's that? What's that? What are you seeing? Aw, it's very cute.